Good morning, guys, and welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to the bathroom. Good morning, guys, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're gonna continue the adventure of our city because. Okay, never mind. Oopsies. Come on, guys. So let's get back to the city. Come on, guys. Let's go and refuel. So, the cars go in this pattern, like in an oval shape. One way, no two ways. So, you have to make a loop around the entire city. Okay, come on, let's go. Oh, wow, there's such nice cars here. Wow, look at this shiny guy. I've never seen cars like that before. Oh, you've never seen cars like me? Well, you'll see a billion cars like me. Oh, okay, nice advice. They're working on some construction here. We'll see that later. Yeah. So hello, hey, welcome to our gas station. Okay, we have two categories. The diesel is here, and the high supreme and exclusive is over here. Oh, okay. I'll take diesel. Excuse me, are you powered by diesel? Of course I am. Ooh, wow, I never knew that. But we don't see cars with diesel over here. You could go for the high super. It's very good. Okay, I'll try. But what if it'll ruin my engine? Then you could go to the hospital. There's a hospital. Oh wow, it made me even better than before. Oh, and we obviously take money. Swing, swing. Come on, let's go. Okay, my viewers, you might be wondering, what? Such a short scene? Well, don't worry, it's not that short at all. We'll also go and see the construction. So, let's see the construction. Yeah. Hello, what's going on here? We're making a new building in which new people will stay. Can we stay here? Of course you can. So, look, they're building here. We've got different vehicles. Hey, bulldozer, bring in the brakes. Okay, so I'm bringing in the brakes. Let me load it on. Yes. I wonder, when will the last brick come? Cheers, everybody! Clapping! Okay, not yet. Okay, just the last piece. Everybody, now it's time for... Everybody, remove the signs. Now it's time for clapping. Okay, come on. You'll see the fire station in the next episode. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this channel, then please like, subscribe, and keep smashing cars in your heads. Hey, you're not supposed to say this. Oh, sorry. Okay, guys, goodbye.
See you later, alligator.